So I'm gonna do a quick video of the trades that we did yesterday and a quick video of what we see right now. Okay, so yesterday when I took the trade, I took it around about here because I showed you guys in the previous video the accumulation schematic that I saw here. It only managed to give us this push over here, and because of this supply zone that I saw over here, I took some of my position off, put the rest at break even. And because I wasn't confident about this trade, my trade got hit at break even, and I had strict risk management when it came to this trade because of the lack of confidence I had in it, right? So we hit the first stop loss at break even, and then I took another one over here, and then we hit the next stop loss at break even. I didn't manage to secure any positions on this trade, so it was a straight break even. Okay, so today we're gonna see what is going on in NASDAQ. We managed to get the previous account up till 7,500 rand, roundabout in that region. And then after hitting the two stop losses at break even, we did a demo withdrawal. So you guys will apply the same thing to your real account. Okay, so you will do a real withdrawal. I did a demo withdrawal because that's my business. And yeah, let's jump into what we see today. So not much has changed on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we still have this channel over here that we recently broke out of. Okay, we had that channel that was running like that, and we had this breakout over here. We have the retest of this channel, and we are seeing currently a push to the upside. On the same 4 hour chart, we can see that there was liquidity grabbed over here, liquidity taken from here where the accumulation happened, the distribution where that happened. So price went down, and we obviously failed to see what was happening at that moment, but we still managed to do not take a serious loss. I did take a loss trading the news yesterday, and I had to just scalp the account and get it back to at least break even. That scalping technique and methods that I am not going to show you right now, because I want to show you something that will actually help you in your real life trading, which is this. And now what we're seeing currently, okay, in this price action, what we see here, we see the liquidity that was taken from this low here. We found ourselves in this demand zone over here. This is on the 1 hour. We see a bigger demand zone in this area over here, and now we currently find ourselves in the supply zone that we have over here. And in the supply zone, we're waiting for our schematic to form. Basically over here we did have some sort of schematic. I can show it to you guys. Okay, we have our psychological level here on top, our sellers climax, automatic rally, secondary test phase B. Then we have our sign of strength, and then we have our spring that happened over here. I didn't get on into this trade because this happened during the London session. Would have given us a nice move to the upside where we find ourselves now. So Currently, what I'm waiting for and what I'm seeing right now is we're going for the liquidity that is happening on top of this 1 minute high over here. I mean 1 hour high. So here we're getting now the liquidity hunt. We hunted for that liquidity, we got it. We're seeing a very, very strong move to the upside. I would like to see the accumulation schematic happening a bit deeper in this supply zone. Maybe come and get some liquidity from the top even here, creating that schematic to take us again down. So with that being said, we invalidate the targets that rest above here at 18,480, right? We disregarding that for now. At a later stage, perhaps we could get the touch of this level, right? But in my opinion, if I had to go down to the 4 hour, what I would wait for is perhaps an accumulation to happen in maybe this demand zone over here. So we have this demand zone. Currently my bias, I switched it to bearish. We cannot get married to a bias, guys. One of my mentors taught me that and told me like getting married to a bias, it's no good. So based on the higher time frames, weekly, daily, it's all looking bullish. But remember, we need to trade now. We need to trade today. We need to find a trade for this week at least, you know. So Monday we did have a successful day. Tuesday, I wouldn't say it was an unsuccessful day, but the things that I expected to happen didn't happen the way I wanted it to happen. I made some mistakes during this day as well, but that's not an issue. We still managed to be profitable at the end of the day. And over here, right now, we're seeing the potential of the schematic actually form, right? I'd like to use this as my psychological level now. Currently speaking, we busy making the bias climax, right? All the buyers, breakout traders, you know, they are in the market right now and they are winning, but they can't win forever, and that's just the nature of the market. So what will happen from now? After we get this bias climax, we're gonna get the full schematic play out here and eventually look for our shorts. The price hasn't fully developed yet, so now we just have to watch the market. The stock market open will be at my time. It's going to be at 3:30 South African time. From there, what I expect is perhaps because we are currently in this area, within another half an hour, 35 minutes time, we can see the full schematic maybe form, and then maybe when market opens, we get that spike to get us some liquidity, you know, and automatically what we will realize is that here is a demand zone here. I mean supply zone over here. Sorry, my demand and supply zone. I have to work on that one. Okay, so like I say, as you can see, we're doing a strong push, very strong push. But I don't want to keep this video too long. I would like you guys to take what you've learned from the past few videos and apply it to this video and this analysis and see if you can get into the market. And yes, I wish you best of luck for the rest of the day. I might release another video later showing the entry. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. For Benachi Papi out.